Every beautiful home rests on decisions that you never see. Proportion, flow, detail. Design is where those decisions are made, intentionally and with purpose. Many people start their new home journey by falling in love with a look, a style, a floor plan, or a feeling that they want their home to have. But without a clear technical framework, even the most beautiful ideas can unravel. Unclear drawings can lead to unclear pricing, unresolved details can lead to delays, and uncertainty can become the most expensive line item of all. At AV Architects and Builders, Vacation Style Living Design is where creativity meets clarity. This is the phase that transforms your vision into ready-to-bid architectural drawings and specifications tailored to fit your lifestyle, so that your home can be built exactly as you intended. What is Vacation Style Living Design? VSL Design is a comprehensive architectural design service that gives you ready-to-bid architectural plans. This is where your home is fully defined through detailed layouts, resolved architectural decisions, curated material selections, and coordinated building systems. The result is a ready-to-bid architectural package that gives your builder clear direction and gives you confidence moving forward, whether you build with us or with a builder of your choice. What's included in VSL Design? Your VSL Design deliverables include fully developed architectural drawings and specifications such as 3D rendered views, floor plans, building sections, elevations, roof plan, door and window schedule, lighting plan, finished floor plans, exterior material selections, kitchen layouts, and bath layouts. You also get everything that comes with our vision and building guide services, a design process rooted in real-world experience. Because we are both licensed architects and Class A contractors, we design homes with buildability in mind from the very beginning. This integrated perspective ensures that what you fall in love with on paper can actually be built without compromise. The VSL Design process. Number 1. We start by developing your building guide and vision to lay the foundation for the concept of your project. Number 2. We develop 3D render views, floor plans, elevations, and sections to illustrate the spatial flow, structure, and function of your home. Number 3. You'll receive a comprehensive design package complete with drawings and material selections ready to present to your builder for next steps. Who VSL Design is for? VSL Design is ideal for people who want complete ready-to-bid house plans, value clarity, coordination, and precision, want to protect their investment before construction begins, or plan to build now or in the future and want to start refining their design. Why design matters more than most people realize. In a custom home, design determines everything. Not just how your home looks, but how it's built, how much it costs, and how it feels to live in. When design is rushed or incomplete, builders are forced to make assumptions. And assumptions can lead to change orders, scope creep, and a home that doesn't function the way that you imagined. VSL Design removes that uncertainty, replacing assumptions with coordination and ideas with intention. What comes next? Completing VSL Design does not lock you into a construction contract. You can take your design deliverables to any builder of your choice. Or, if you're in the Northern Virginia area, you can continue with us into our VSL Design Build service, where we can build the home that we designed together. It's completely up to you. Well-designed homes don't come from guesswork. They come from thoughtful decisions carefully resolved on paper before construction ever begins. Vacation Style Living Design gives your home structure, clarity, and direction, transforming your vision into a design that's ready to be built and ready to support the way that you want to live. If you're ready to move from vision to a fully defined architectural design, you can explore VSL Design and take the next step today. If you're still exploring, visit our Learning Center for more insights into custom home planning and design. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so that you stay up to date with the latest in modern home design. We'll see you in the next one. Goodbye!